If you want your back bends to look like this, and this, with safe alignment and long-lasting spinal flexibility, come with me. We're starting with arm sweeps. Come to a tall kneeling position. Place one hand on your heels and use the other hand to sweep overhead, arching the back as you do so. Exhale to lower, swapping sides as you alternate. Sweep each arm overhead in turn, moving the body with slow, deliberate intention. This warms the shoulder joints, lats, and the spinal column. We want to warm the joints and the vertebrae, so don't be tempted to skip. Keep going and warm the body for about a minute in these dynamic stretches, mobilizing your joints and activating your flexibility. 3 more. 2 more. Last one. Great job. Bring your hands to your chest for unassisted lean backs. Start your lean backs gently, increasing the lean in each rep as you go. We're building strength through the upper and the lower back, as well as the quads, ankles, and the tops of the feet for long-lasting flexibility. 3 more. Keep lengthening all the way from the coccyx right through to the axis. 2 more. Last one. Release. Now, let's set up for Camel Pose. Bring the right hand back. Bring the left hand back. Option to keep your hands supporting your lower spine if you're a back bend beginner or regaining strength. Press the hips forward and the chest high. Gaze up to the ceiling, hands to the hips to rise. Now your shoulders are warm, you can have a little fun playing around and adding a bind. Bring the left foot to the crease of the left elbow. Right hand lifts as you exhale, gently bend back. Inhale to rise and release, easing any tension in the lower spine as we come into rabbit pose. Counter poses are absolutely invaluable to your back bends, so allow yourself to breathe into the stretch and really enjoy it. Absolutely amazing. If you want to take your bends even deeper, here's a link to my back bend playlist for full length vinyasa flows. See you there.